And welcome back to It's Your Move, where we talk about all things real estate, including where I work and live in Galveston, Texas. So, last video I talked about common mistakes people make when updating their home, doing home improvement projects. This time I'd like to talk about 5 home improvement projects that actually add value to your home, because not everything you do is going to really add value, but value is important because if you're spending the money, it'd be nice to get some of that money back, right? Homeowners often undertake these home improvement projects to improve the functionality, aesthetics, and to add value to the home. While there's many projects to choose from, some are more effective than others when it comes to adding value. The first thing would be a kitchen remodel. The kitchen is kind of the heart of the home, right? So it's important to do these things correctly. And it's a key determining factor of a home when people are out looking at homes to buy one. That's the heart of the home. So they really do pay attention to the kitchen. A kitchen remodel can range from a minor, such as an update, new cabinets, countertops, to a major overhaul that can include changing the whole layout. Upgrading appliances, installing new flooring, adding lighting are also similar options. And a well-designed kitchen can add significant value to a home and increase its appeal to potential buyers. There's just depends on what you want. If you want to go all the way, people, especially if you're going to sell your house, they always want you to have the new appliances. It's hard to buy new appliances and then leave the house. I get it. But that is one of the main remodels that people look for, the updated values. The second one is a bathroom remodel. Like the kitchen, the bathroom is another high traffic area. We all need the bathroom. And that can greatly impact the value of your home. Updating fixtures, installing a new vanity, and adding a new tile or flooring can transform a dated bathroom into a luxurious space. I mean, sometimes people even make it look like a spa or make it to feel like a spa because they want to be pampered. A bathroom remodel is an investment that can offer a high return on your investment, and it makes a smart choice for homeowners looking to increase the value of your home. Let's talk about outdoor spaces. That's the next one. In recent years, outdoor spaces have become increasingly popular as homeowners look to extend their living areas beyond the walls of their home. People are just looking for more space these days. Adding a deck or patio or an outdoor kitchen even can create an inviting space for entertaining or relaxing. Outdoor spaces can also improve the curb appeal of a home and increase its overall value. People are also looking for energy efficient upgrades. Those really add value. They not only save homeowners money on their utility bills, but they also add the value that people are looking for, whether it's you or if you're a buyer looking for a home. Upgrading to energy efficient appliances, installing new windows, and energy efficient doors, adding insulation, these can all make the home more attractive to potential buyers, or just make it more efficient for you so that your heating and cooling bills are less. A home with an energy efficient upgrade is also more environmentally friendly, which is an added bonus for many of those environmentally friendly minded people. And the fifth one is adding on or making an extension. Adding square footage to a home can greatly increase its value. An addition or an extension can create extra living space, such as a new bedroom, a home, office, or a family room. A well-planned addition that flows seamlessly with the existing structure can add significant value to a home and provide additional living space for the homeowner. So having that extra space, like I said before, people are looking for more outdoor space, but they're also just looking for more space in general. So to spread out and be comfortable. So home improvement projects can add value and functionality to a home. A kitchen or bathroom remodel or outdoor living space, energy efficient upgrades, and adding additional square footage or an extension of the home. Those are the top 5 home improvement projects that can add value to your home. So when you're considering these home improvement projects, it's important to choose one that fits the needs of your budget, does what you want it to do, but also consider the potential return on your investment. I hope this information was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next video. Remember, it's your move.